Hey guys, so I'm back with another video for you guys. This is an unboxing for Craspire.com. A lot of you may have seen some of their unboxings, and they are all about wax seals and waxes and the wax seal stamps and all of that. So not long ago, they contacted me and asked if I was interested in trying some products. And of course I accepted. I have been seeing this in other videos, and I thought it might be fun to try out myself since I've never done it. So they gave me a certain amount to spend, and I picked out some things to get started with because I have absolutely no tools whatsoever for wax seal stamping. So I want to share with you, the first thing I got is, it's like a starter kit, and it came with all of this. So I have already taken it out of the box, undid the bubble wrap, and in this little kit, you get your little furnace, and I believe they had some other styles as well. So you get your furnace, and you put your candle under there. There are also 4 or 5 teacup tea light candles that come with it to put under your furnace. And I got the one with the mixed waxes in there, and these colors are so pretty. You can see there's just all kinds of colors, the pinks, teals, blues, I mean every color you can think of. And I mean that was just one little handful. And just like the furnace in different styles, they do have other options for, oh, there's purples and reds. Ooh, this is a really good vampire color, like for Halloween. So yeah, they have lots of options for the waxes as well. And also in the same kit, it came with 2 of the markers. If you were to stamp your wax seal stamp and the raised image you're left with, you can go in with this and put some color on those raised edges to make your image pop out a little bit more. And then it came with a spoon, of course. So your candle's lit, and this sits on top with your waxes inside. And then that was basically everything to get started. So I also picked out a couple of the stamp seals. This one came with a handle, a nice small but good size to hold a grip on and stamp. Little wood handle here, and I picked the one with this cute little bow. So stinking adorable. I love it, love it, love it. And these twist off, so you can change out if you have multiple heads but not multiple handles, and then just screw it right back on like that, and you're good to go. And this one is a rose design. Let's see if you can see that. There we go. Rose with leaves. Super pretty. I cannot wait to play with these. I will have a video for you guys, and I will probably have some pictures to put in as well. Before I get off of here, I wanted to tell you guys that, so these are metal for stamping into the wax. And I have heard of rubber stamps for this as well. So I got to thinking, would our mounted rubber stamps work on these as well? And I have seen a couple of videos where they did it and it worked. So after I get the feel for using the wax, melting it right, doing all that, I'm going to try out some of these small stamps. And see, most of these, I think they're, yeah, Stampin' Up. Let's see. Stampabilities. Let's see, this one is Colette Hall. It's the SWAK, sealed with a kiss. I thought that would be super cute to, instead of pour in a circle with your wax, kind of pour a long, narrow area and then stamp this in there. And I thought that would make a super cute little embellishment. And then I have this little ice cream cone here. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.